Set the bar high, had to make a meal and I did that. I'm so proud of myself. Times I forgot my friends, I admit that. And I'm sorry.
I've been busy working, I need time to myself. I'm knowing that you hurting, but I'm grinding right now. I wanna know if you down, just hit me up, we can ride out. You my little baby, let's sit down and talk, cause you mine now. I know that we have times that we ain't cool, I get that. Let's lay up, just me and you, I miss that.
Good morning. What's up, guys? I made a big oopsie. I made a big oopsie because I didn't record it and I was in a rush. Alright, as you guys know, I did my headers, my pulley, E85 sensors, P3 gauge, just a bunch of little bolt-on things. And what went wrong is I did what I do last night. I did the spark plugs, went fine, went great. Then I did took off the water pump to get to the thermostat and got it out, took 30 seconds, put it back in, and I was done. Came to bolt it on, and I'll show you. Alright, first off, let me go ahead and grab some tools. Oh. Huh? I say I feel so stupid. Alright, let's get this baby opened. I'm gonna try this one hand trick. Okay. Boom. Water pump. This is, of course, radiator coolant come in. And these 3 bolts, alright? Sorry about my ashy hand. But there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. I broke this one, guys. I broke this bolt. And hopefully it didn't break flush because I'm going to have an issue trying to get it off. I'm going to take the other one off right now and take it to Home Depot, find a match, and then be done with this. Alright, we got the bolt loose. At least this one came out. Now let me tell you, I was in a rush.
Crazy! Go stupid! Go crazy! Go stupid! Go crazy! Yeah! Go stupid!
Just like I was now. But I got a trick for this. Turn it off. Now I need to locate where that damn screw is that I just dropped. Did you see which way it dropped? I was here, it dropped here.
No.
Oh, my life. I seriously don't know where I dropped it. Alright, we can stop. Alright, well, we found it. Now I'm going to move super slow, use 2 hands, and learn my lesson from last night, and don't be in a rush. There we go. Come on out, girl. Come on out. Alright, this is what the screw looks like. This is 3 more of what I need to get. I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I'm gonna buy 2 clamps so we don't leak anything. Yeah, 2 clamps to clamp these hoses off, 3 screws, and then I'm gonna see what methods they have to get the broken bolt out. Let's see if we can get that done. All right. Breathe us. This cat.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Water.
Pour it in there.
I'm scared she'll bite me.
No, she's not.
Okay.
She's trying to help a cat, but she's afraid of the cat. There's a homeless cat that lives in our apartment. Cutest little thing ever. Hit me up in the comments if you guys want a cat, because she gotta go. Respectfully. How you feel like you came all this way, gave the cat water, and she don't care about it?
She's hungry.
She don't care about your water. Ooh. Alright, this was the broken screw. We got these. They didn't have the same head. It went from using a key to it is now a screwdriver. Looks like it's the same thread. I put it in that whole little thread machine thing. This is a 1/4 and 20 by 1 1/4 inch thing. Yeah, so let's get back. Let's see if this works. If it fits, great, but how can we get the old screw out is going to be my main question. If I cannot use a needle nose or any kind of freaking handle thing to get it out, now we're gonna have to look into maybe possibly getting someone to weld it, so I can actually screw it out slowly. And yeah, that's gonna drive me nuts. It's gonna be all about parts, but no, somebody wants damn Jamba Juice
And the little cat insert we had.
so yeah, see how it goes when husbands try to do car stuff and then you bring your wife. I'm just saying.
There's a reason I want Jamba Juice.
Alright, we'll see. Alright guys, like I said, made it back. Right now, what I'm doing is going ahead and pinching off the hose so we can limit the amount of fluid that leaks out. And then we are going to take off the rest of the bolts and we'll be back to see how bad the damage is on that broken bolt. Look at my front. It's more of my hands though, not my face right now. You know what I should have done before I took it off? Make sure the screws fit. I want to make sure all this work is not for nothing, and the screws fit. It doesn't feel like they do.
Too big?
Feels like they're too big. Thread's too big.
Back to Home Depot.
Back to Home Depot. But what I'll do is, I guess I'll see at least if this bottom one comes out. Yep. Great. I don't know the best method. Oh, okay, she's spinning, boys. She's spinning. So gentle. Yes, baby. She is spinning. Hey, God is good. God bless. A real bad man gonna get you screw out the fucking motor, you know. Yes, I. Oh, yes. Oh. I'm sorry, people are coming. We're gonna pause real quick. Time to put Bree to work. You can pick which ones you want. Look at her, boys. This is what you do.
Can I use my finger to get it out?
Can you use your finger? No.
It's not spinning anymore.
Huh?
It's not spinning anymore.
Come on.
I need something.
Try the big one. Try that one. Come on, you got this. You got this.
Are you using me because my hands are smaller?
I'm not using you. I'm using you because somebody has to record, another person has to do the work. And you suck at getting the right angles.
Wow, that's fucked up. Can I use my finger now?
Go ahead if it works.
The longest fucking screw.
Yes. Alright, she has the screw, boys.
I don't have
Pick it up because she dropped it. Alright, show them the screw. This is the culprit.
Culprit?
Culprit.
I don't know if
This
that's
is the
not-
culprit, okay? This, it won't even focus.
This is where it broke off.
Okay. I'm trying to focus the camera. Keep your fat hand still. Okay, there we go. That's the culprit. That's what's been getting us. So, back to Home Depot. We have to find something that works. Alright guys, anyways, we found some screws. Hopefully this is going to help better. We're down to an M6 1" by 30 millimeter. I hope that works. And then, I got some more coolant and this random dry towel that I need. So let's see if it works. Bro, this better work. Like, this better be the right size, or I'm done for the day. Of course, this head doesn't fit. Let me find a correct head. Yes, sir. She's going in there. She is going in, boys. Oh, I never really get too happy, but when it slides in right, I'm happy. Yes, thank Jesus. Okay, that side's good. And all of this came from me making a silly mistake. A simple, silly mistake. But you know what? We can all correct our mistakes. This is a good lesson in life. No matter what you do wrong, okay? It could be a car part, or it could be a girlfriend's heart. You can always fix it. No? Bad reference?
Okay, you're fucking weird.
Huh?
You're weird.
Whoa. I mean, I'm weird. Everybody on this channel that's watching me know I'm pretty weird. But that's the point. Being weird is being good, is actually being different, and I think that is a plus. I don't want to be like everybody else. And then she's calling me weird, but I bagged her. So
He begged to bag.
no, I bagged her. Let's not go there, please. Look, hey, put the camera on me. Ain't no simp in my pimp. You feel me?
Oh my
Ain't no simp in my pimp. Alright.
Whatever.
I'll see y'all later. Alright guys, well that is it. Car is fixed. All we're waiting for is a white van. And then we're on to great things. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving.